In Japan, some McDonald's restaurants have gym bikes. At first, you might think they're there to help you burn off some calories, but their purpose is a bit different. These bikes let you charge your phone while you eat. It's a clever way to encourage healthy habits without making it feel like a workout. Since cafes with little animals are becoming more popular, Japan decided to stay a few steps ahead. They have capybara cafes. You get to chill with real capybaras while you sip your drink. They roam around the space, and you can even pet them or feed them snacks. They're surprisingly calm and friendly, almost like oversized guinea pigs that just vibe. This Japanese pudding comes in a unique package. While you can eat it straight from the container, you can also serve it more elegantly. Just flip it over, break the plastic tab at the bottom, and the vacuum seal will release, letting the pudding slide neatly onto a plate. Next, Japan has sandals that work both ways, meaning you can slip them on from either side. This is handy in a country where it's tradition to remove your shoes before entering a home. No turning them around or adjusting them, just slide them on and you're ready to go. It's a little convenience that makes everyday life smoother. In Japan, you can find these portable bottle blenders. They're super lightweight and compact, making them perfect to take with you when you're out and about. Just add your favorite fruits or vegetables, press a single button, and within seconds you'll have fresh juice. Add a splash of milk along with the fruit, and you've got yourself a smoothie. This reusable lint roller is a big hit in Japan. It's so small that it can fit in your purse or even your jacket pocket. This handy little tool is designed to be super sticky, making it easy to remove any type of hair. Just wash it with warm water to rinse off the hair, let it dry, and it's ready to use again. It works on clothes, sofas, beds, and even carpets. There are many staircases around Korea that have been transformed into a working piano. Each stair plays a different note when someone steps on it. Hard to believe, but people actually choose to take the stairs just to hear a melody. A small thing that can make your day better. Next, in Japan, there are these unique machines that come in very handy on rainy days. You'll often find them outside stores, stations, or other busy places. Simply place your umbrella inside, and the machine will blow hot air to remove all the water. Now you can go on without having to worry about your umbrella dripping everywhere. Next, if you love unwinding with a warm bath, this tea-inspired product from Japan is perfect for you. These bath salts are packed inside a filter bag, just like a tea bag. Simply dip it into your tub, and you're all set. The salt dissolves slowly, releasing soothing minerals and a gentle fragrance. It turns your bath into a relaxing, spa-like ritual. Next, when it comes to Japanese restaurants, they often serve dishes that include raw eggs. In those cases, you're often given an egg separator, a special lid that separates the yolk from the egg white. You simply crack the egg over the lid, and it automatically ensures no shell or egg white gets into your meal. A unique cafe for coffee and fashion lovers has opened in Korea. Here, your coffee isn't served in a regular cup, but you actually drink it from a glass handbag. Simply grab the glass handbag, pour in your coffee, and add some ice. What started as an online joke has now been taken to a whole new level by this cafe. Truly a luxurious way to enjoy your drink. Next, Japan has taken shopping to the next level with their futuristic smart carts. Each cart comes with a built-in computer where you can load funds before you start shopping. As you go, simply scan your items and watch the total update in real time. When you're done, just swipe your card for an instant checkout. No waiting in line at the register. Next, in Japan, gum packaging includes a stack of disposal paper sheets. This is convenient because you can easily get rid of your gum when you're done chewing it. No more tossing it in public or sticking it under desks. Just tear off a small sheet of paper and wrap the gum inside. If you're a new driver in Japan who just got your license, you'll receive this sticker and must place it on your car. You're required to keep it there for 1 year. It lets other drivers know you're new and reminds them to be understanding and patient. On the streets of Japan, you can find these pizza vending machines. They operate 24/7, so you can always grab a fresh pizza. Just insert cash into the machine, select the pizza of your choice, and in a matter of minutes, out comes a hot, fresh pizza. Perfect for a quick meal on the go, and the best part is they actually taste good. If you're visiting Japan, you'll probably notice that people always stand on the left side of the escalator, leaving the right side clear for those who are in a rush. That's why you should also stand on the left, and make sure to keep your suitcase in front of you so people can pass by. While walking down the streets of Korea, you might come across these small carts roaming around. These are the famous yogurt ladies on a mission to sell healthy dairy products, mostly yogurt of all kinds. Some even come with probiotic pills inside, meant to be taken along with the drink. Just crack open the bottle, take a sip, and the pills will slide right into your mouth along with the yogurt. Next, train stations in Korea have conveyor belts just for your luggage. This way, you don't have to carry heavy bags and suitcases up the stairs. Simply place your luggage on the automated track, walk up the stairs, and pick it up at the top. There's also one that carries luggage down the stairs. It's a perfect way to save your energy for the rest of your trip. This spray is simply magical. Let's say you have a wrinkled shirt, but you're in a rush and don't have time to iron it. Just grab the bottle, give the shirt a spray, shake it a few times, and the wrinkles disappear. It even has a pleasant fragrance, so you'll be leaving the house feeling fresh. This cafe in in Japan will make you feel like you've stepped inside a black and white comic book. Its unique line art design gives the entire space a 2D look. Walls, chairs, utensils, literally everything. Even the desserts match the aesthetic with their hand-drawn appearance. Would you visit this place? Next, in Japan, train platforms are designed with maximum safety in mind. Right at the edge of the platform next to the tracks, you'll see safety doors. These barriers open as the train arrives and close again as it's about to depart. This reduces the chances of anyone accidentally falling or even intentionally jumping on the tracks. When paying with cash in Japan, it's best to place your money on the small payment tray on the counter. Handing cash directly to the store clerk can make things a bit awkward. Simply place your cash on the tray and wait for your change. It's the polite way to do it. Japan is home to the steepest bridge in the world, the Oshima-Ohashi Bridge. From certain angles, its incline looks downright terrifying. It was designed this way so fishing and cargo ships could pass underneath. Even though it looks impossible, the bridge is completely drivable if your car is up for the challenge. Next, when tall buildings in Japan have their windows cleaned, there's always a worker stationed on the ground to alert pedestrians. Holding an umbrella as a visual signal, they indicate the risk of falling objects. The area is also cordoned off with ropes to keep people at a safe distance. This ensures that water, tools, or any small materials don't accidentally fall on pedestrians. In this Japanese hair salon, getting your hair washed after a cut is a next-level experience. This futuristic-looking arch sprays gentle streams of water that do all the work. Not only does it rinse out the shampoo, but the flowing water also gives you a relaxing massage you won't forget. It almost feels like a tiny waterfall is trickling on your head. These umbrellas do more than shield you from the rain. In Japan, special umbrellas have been designed to help people cool off during extreme heat. They come with built-in fans and a mist sprayer. Just attach a water bottle at the bottom, and with the press of a button, a cool mist sprays out, instantly refreshing you. Next, this is the world's shortest escalator. It spans just 1 meter, roughly 5 steps, and the ride takes about a second to complete. This tiny escalator even holds a Guinness World Record. You can find it in a department store in Kawasaki, Japan. In Japan, your food can be delivered by a robot. Instead of walking all the way to your room, the delivery person simply places the order inside the robot's storage compartment. Then, they leave, and the robot takes care of the rest. In just a short time, your food arrives safely at your door. But did you know it's also considered one of the cleanest countries in the world? This fact recently sparked a trend where people test how clean the streets of Japan actually are. Tourists and influencers can be seen walking around the city without shoes. The only thing on their feet are white socks. They proceed to visit some of the most busiest locations in Tokyo. This is Shibuya Crossing, Tokyo's most iconic intersection and a major tourist hotspot. Nearly 500,000 people cross it daily, along with thousands of cars. With that kind of traffic, you could only imagine how dirty this place could be. Then there's Shinjuku train station. This place holds the world record for the most passengers in a single day, with over 3.5 million people passing through. It would be pretty wild to see these socks stay white. After a few hours and several more stops, it's time to see the result. Pretty surprising. It's clear Japan takes street cleanliness seriously and the cleaning system runs like clockwork. But are these results legit or staged? Tell us what you think in the comments.